Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. So hoping you are doing great, fantastic. In this video I will tell you how you can learn speaking English from zero. So stay connected with this video till the end. Zero level means, my dear friend, you don't know how to frame sentences, you don't know how to speak English, and you don't have understanding, you don't understand English. So that is called zero level. I had zero level. I when i had decided to learn this language, that time my level was zero level. So how I learned this language and now I'm able to speak everything, I will tell you. But firstly, let me give you one example so that you can connect and understand better way, and it will help you to understand better way. See, when one house is built, एक घर बनाया जाता है, that time so many ingredients are important, like sands, गिट्टी छोड़ बालू, cement, like that, okay, for making and building a house. And so similarly, for speaking this language, you also need some ingredients, because learning speaking English also a kind of building a house. Okay, so you should also have those ingredients which are very important for speaking English. Vocabulary, how to frame the sentences, speaking, listening, and reading. You also need these ingredients, then you can speak this language, then you can make your dream true. So the way for making and building a house, those ingredients are important, and those ingredients work together. जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स होता है घर बनाने के लिए, वो सबको एक साथ यूज किया जाता है, एक साथ जो है यूज किया जाता है, तभी एक हाउस बिल्ड होता है. सो सिमिलरली यू ऑल्सो हैव टू यूज ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स टुगेदर फॉर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, not one by one, like learning the vocabulary, then listening, then reading, and then start speaking. No, you have to do all things together. आपको vocab भी सीखना है, आपको ग्रामर भी लर्न करना है, आपको लिसन भी करना है, स्पीकिंग भी करना है, रीडिंग भी करना है, और सब एक साथ करना है. ऐसा नहीं that firstly I will learn tenses, then I will learn vocabulary, then I will listen, after that I will start speaking after 1 month, after some days. No, you have to do everything together. Okay, the way for building a house, that making the base, for making the base, it takes time. The same way, my dear friend, it will take time. जैसे एक घर बनाया जाता है, सो उसका बेस बनाने में इट टेक्स टाइम, बहुत सारा टाइम लगता है उसका बेस बनाने में, बिकॉज फर्स्टली नीड टू मेक अ डीच, देन पिलर, एंड देन दैट वॉल. पहले गड्ढा बनाया जाता है, पिलर बनाया जाता है, उसके बाद इतना सा दीवार उठाया जाता है. आपने देखा होगा कि जब भी घर बनाया जाता है, उसका बेस बनाने में टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि गड्ढा खोदना होता है, पिलर बनाना होता है, कुछ दीवार उठ जाता है, उसके बाद से जो दीवार उठता है वो जल्दी उठता है, फास्ट में उठता है. सो सिमिलरली, व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट डूइंग this all activity, so initially it will take time. Okay, it will take time, because you will be making your base, you will be preparing your base, so it will take time to get it ready. इसको बनाने में टाइम लगेगा, एंड मे दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम यू कैन नॉट फील एंड सी योर ग्रोथ. आप जो है अपना ग्रोथ भी ना देख पाए, आप फील ना कर पाए कि आप में इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है कि नहीं. बट आपको जो है पेशेंस रखना है, आपको ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि मैं एक बेस बना रही हूँ, और बेस जो है वो टाइम लेता है. ओके, So you have to keep it in your mind, and don't think that time that you are just doing it and not improving. No, you will be improved. How? See, one, take one more example of grains. When grains are sown, that time farmer, they are relaxed. Why? Because they know the reality that grains are improving, that process is going on, but it will take time to see the growth fully. वो ग्रेन्स जब वो बोया जाता है तो उसका प्रोसेस होने लगता है, नेक्स्ट डे ही से होने लगता है, बट वो ग्रोथ हम कब देखते हैं, वो मिट्टी के बाहर वो कब आता है? आफ्टर सम डेज, आफ्टर 2-3 weeks. So similarly, when you are doing this activity and you are not able to see your growth, you are not able to feel your growth, it doesn't mean that you are not improving. You are improving insidely, and that will take time to come out, to feel that I am improving. May it will take 2, 3, 4 weeks. Okay, so you have to keep it doing with patience. Okay, and as you will be beginner, so you will have to take care of yourself, that you are going to do it as a fresher, as a beginner. Okay, so you are interested, you are curious to do it, but not that much. ओके, कोई भी चीज़ हम शुरुआत करते हैं तो शुरुआती टाइम में जो है हम 1-2 दिन तक कर सकते हैं, फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ आवर, बट नॉट एवरी डे. So you also have to take care of yourself, that how much time if you take, so you can do it every day with consistency. So I will say that do it every day, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Watch vocabulary related video, daily life style. Okay, vocabulary you have to watch first, because you are going to speak about our your life, like from where you are, where you live, what have you eaten, what do you do. So firstly try to learn such words. Okay, and watch such video related to such vocabulary, daily life style for 5 minutes. And 5 minutes watch tenses video, because tenses are very important for framing the sentences, to frame the sentences correctly. So watch tenses for 5 minutes, only for 5 minutes. Okay, like present tense, affirmative sentence, only for 5 minutes. Then 5 minute listen conversation video. If you listen conversation video, from there you can learn how to greet, how to start speaking. And read 5 minutes. Yeah, take any book, any kids related, and start reading for 5 minutes. And speak with yourself, because as you will be beginner, so you won't feel to talk with anyone, and that confidence is also won't have. So first try to speak with yourself 5 minutes every day. I think you should start uh, with introduction, how you can introduce yourself. So you can write your about your introduction, and do practice that with yourself. Sit and start introducing yourself. So in this way you have to do these all things 5 minutes, and I think it won't be a very much pressure on you, and you can do it easily. Only 5 minutes you have to do, only 5 minutes. And in this way you will do it with curiosity and with consistency every day. Then you will be able to build your level, and speak this language. If you have zero level and you are truly beginner, so firstly you should follow this technique. जीरो से बिगनर लेवल तक जाने के लिए आपको ये जो है टेक्निक फॉलो करना चाहिए. You must follow this technique. So in this way, my dear friend, you can speak this language and learn speaking English like me, the way I have learned speaking English from zero. I hope you liked this video and understood everything what you have to do for speaking this language, and you will do it. So if you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.